Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, when the pain over, it's raining Range Rovers. But to the pain over, just let me rain on your night. Baby, when the pain over, it's raining Range Rovers. Yeah. But to the pain over, just let me rain on your night. I don't need no bets on me, just let them bang on me. Yeah. They put some change on me, they make it strange for this night.
What's the deal, y'all? What we got going on? All right, today we finna put this new bumper on the SS. That's what we about to go outside and do right now. New bumper on the SS, man. We about to, what else? What the fuck is this nigga going through, bro? This nigga tripping, bro. And my neighbor tripping, bro. Anyways, y'all. What's the deal, man? What's going on with y'all today, man? Today, we finna put the bumper, new bumper on the SS, the 17 bumper. I found it, paid $2,300 for it. It got a little bit of damage, so I'm trying to see if I gotta get it painted before I wrap it or not. I wanna get it painted regardless, but I kinda just wanna wrap it in the meantime. But, put the bumper on the SS. I don't know what else I got going on, to be honest, but I know it's gonna be something. I'm doing something. Bumper is the first step, man. I really want to do tint. I need tint on my windows. I got like blemishes and stuff with my wrap. I really want to do that too. I really want to get all of my car wrap wise. I want to be 100% done. My chrome deleted. New wheels. We got new wheels going on there too. So that should be in the works. He about to bring the wheels. He said he got to go to the west side and east side, something like that. Anyways, he finna bring the wheels. I'm gonna put the wheels on there. Hopefully I can just get the car all the way together today, appearance wise. Yeah, hopefully I can get the car all the way together today, appearance wise. And then probably we pop out tonight or do something, or I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. But for now, we about to put this bumper on, get the day started, and yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the 17 bumper. It look good. Now mind you, the grills is messed up. Just the chrome grills messed up, and this grill, those, all of that. He's sending me new ones. He's sending me the new ones for the grills that came with the bumper, but he left them at home. I don't know how, but yeah, man. This the bumper. This is 17 bumper. It don't got no damage to it besides fucking a billion tons of rock chips. You can see that shit in the camera. You can hear that shit. He talking about it might be PPF on there. Man, it's not no PPF on here. It ain't nobody in the world can do no PPF that look this good. But we got to put this on there for now. And yeah, we got the cars, both cars right here. I'm about to back this out. Somebody out there, Pat. What is like to live in Detroit? Pat. Put this shit on though, man.
Baby, when the pain over, it's raining Range Rovers. But to the pain over, just let me rain on your night. Baby, when the pain over, it's raining Range Rovers. Yeah. But to the pain over, just let me rain on your night. I don't need no bets on me, just let them bang on me. Yeah. They put some change on me, they make it strange for this night. You gon' lose your head if I lose the dream.
Okay, so this for everybody that was wondering what's the difference in the bumpers. The difference is this is a 15 bumper. So if you look at the chrome piece in the grill, this one goes all the way around. This one, it starts here, goes around, and ends right there. That's the difference. So the lower grills are different. Then we got the fog lights. Well, really the whole bezel and everything. So the 15s kind of have this like sleek kind of go straight across. This one got like a sporty look, like it goes in to a grill, it breathes through there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but fog lights are different. This one, it has the LED strip and then a fog light. This one just has just the fog light, or just the DRL, daytime running light. But yeah, that's really the main difference, is that this groove makes it look way more sporty than the plain look right here. Some people like the 15 look though. Like Jay say, not G8 Jay that rap, he said he liked the 15 bumper better than the 17 bumper. Me personally, I like the 17 bumper way better. So I'm about to put this bumper on. The guy sending me new grill, a new upper grill and everything. Yeah, if I don't, yeah, them grills is different. I could probably just take the emblem off of this and put it on this one, I'm pretty sure. But if not, I really don't care, to be honest, until he send me a new grill. But we're finna put this on. Get back at it right quick. Oh shit, I'm tired as hell.
We stood on his neck, we hit all heads. Number scout, these my favorite bullets, these ain't ball heads. No jump out, hit the switch, make sure they all dead. I know time won't make it right. One fuck up, you can lose your life. Yeah, that's it. And I know my niggas want they stripes. Let's get it. They'll take the bite to make sure you die tonight. Let's get it. Now use your motherfucking common sense. How you gon' jump the fence? Too many niggas in this bitch, how we can't pay the rent? Got bitches, they don't go and they all heaven sent. And we been wiping noses for so long, must been an elephant. Headshot, 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 he ain't breathing. We might wipe you down with no cleaning. If she give good top, so I'm leaving. Found me a white girl that like seasoning. Baby, when the pain over, that's when the rain over. Yeah, and I'm talking about I still be right here. Yeah, and you'll still be right here. Then he'll be here, Savage will be first to go like he don't live here.
All right, so the bumper on. It took me a fucking minute of fighting to get this bitch ass bumper on, but the motherfucker is on. It's on. Lower this jack down. Come on. Yeah, so I just gotta tighten these up. Some more of these. I think they're in the garage somewhere. I gotta find them. But I don't know if the light's gonna come on now. I don't know if it's gonna come on right now. I don't know when the DRLs come on. I don't know if y'all can see them on. They both on. I don't know why this one looks on the camera. Yep. I wonder do they stay on with the headlights. Yeah, they stay on with the headlights. Hey. So, the bumper on, even though it need to be sanded like a motherfucker,
Baby, when the pain over, it's raining Range Rovers. But to the pain over, just let me rain on your night.
So I'm probably gonna wet sand this bumper eventually. I might have to do it before I wrap
Baby,
it.
when the pain over, it's raining Range Rovers. But to the pain over, just let me rain on your night. I don't need no vest on me, just let them bang on me. They put some change on me, they make it strange for this night. You gon' lose your head if I lose a dread. We stood on his neck, we hit all heads. Number scout, these my favorite bullets, these ain't ball heads. Jump out, hit the switch, make sure they all dead. I know time won't make it right.
Let me check my Instagram real quick.
One fuck up, you can lose your life. And I know my niggas want they stripes. Let's get it. They'll take the bite to make sure you die tonight.
Ain't ready for the wheels yet.
Now use your motherfucking common sense. How you gon' jump the fence? Too many niggas in this bitch, how we can't pay the rent? Got bitches, they don't go and they all heaven sent. And we been wiping noses for so long, must been an elephant. Headshot, he ain't breathing. We might wipe you down with no clean. If she give good top, so I'm leaving. Found me a white girl that like season.
I think they was missing some though. Yeah, they probably lost some bitches or something. I don't know, man. But we just gonna put it there. We're missing 2, just the ones on the outside. Grab this drill that I kicked out the way. So far, so good. Yes, sir.
Baby, when the pain over, that's when the rain over. Yeah. And I'm talking about I'll still be right here. Yeah. And you'll still be right here. Then he'll be here, Savage will be first to go like he don't live here. Baby, all the pain I done felt. Yeah. All the pain I done dealt.